In this video, how to display this PC icon on your desktop in Windows 10 and 11. By default, this icon is hidden on the desktop. To show it, right-click on any empty spot on your desktop and choose Personalize. Select Themes. Scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings. In the window that appears, check the box next to Computer. You can also select other helpful system icons like Trash, User Files, Control Panel, and Network. Click Apply, and the icon will appear on your desktop. These steps are the same for Windows 10. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.